Today we are headed on our first overnight trip with our newly renovated truck camper, now travel trailer. I use this website, freecampsites.net, to look up free campsites pretty much anywhere. Mostly I've used Canada. Looking up Helmcken Falls. Looks like there's 2 different places that are free. So try this Clearwater. And as you can see, it says free. And then here is where the directions are. Our drive will be about 3.5 hours long. And we're off to Clearwater. Taking our camper conversion for our first drive around the neighborhood. Looks like it did pretty good on the turn.
Here. Oh cool, they took a truck camper.
Here's it going a little bit faster. Still looks good, straight. We had to take the travel trailer for a good wash. Grab our cat wizard. Here we go. We're off.
Seems different sitting in it out in the woods than it is in the driveway.
Yeah, 'cause now we're in it to stay warm. Yeah, it might actually be okay in here tonight with body heat.
I was already warm getting in here myself, yeah. No, we'll see. It should be. There's the 3 of us, so it looks like the sensor's working now and staying on. It's a good sign. Seemed to roll pretty good. Pretty happy with everything. Head to the falls tomorrow, check out the scenes, and head home. And we can have a fire later too. Hey, Wizzy. Look at that, he's just getting comfy.
Yeah, I think he just moved his top. Wizard. You can take my spot.
Yeah. It's funny, people look from the road and go, oh, a truck camper. Because they can't see the bottom of the trailer. And now that the fridge is running on propane.
Underneath things. Oh, there's a doggy over there. Uh-oh.
Really big like this. You see the water?
That looks weird.
It is farther away than the moon though.
Our camper in the dark. So it turned into a failed trip. We did not get to see the falls. We woke up to the weather being like this and now have to head back home. The trailer washed a little bit. Now that we know there are no more leaks, time for painting. It's finally completely finished. All our hard work has now been put together and completed. We're so excited. Hope you enjoyed our video today. Stay tuned for our next video.
Planet right there in the same elliptical orbit as the moon. We're standing on the side of the world.
Look at what it looks like in the camera.
Hmm?